Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So I have something really exciting. I just realized I always say that, and look, to be fair, I think all of my videos are always really exciting. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome, thank you. I deal with all things luxury because I work really hard and I love to spoil myself, and I like to share this experience with a lot of you guys, only because I think that there's so many people who have questions and you know, they might not have someone in their life that they can ask. They might not be able to have access to this kind of information. And so at least for me, I know when I first started out in this luxury journey, YouTubers and, you know, social media, that really helped me get the information that I need about the things that are out there. You know, even though maybe what I'm watching or maybe what you're watching is not something that you would buy, at least you have access to this information about this brand. You know, what their quality is like, what their prices are like, you know, what kind of pieces should you be looking out for, what kind of pieces should you be avoiding. So that's kind of my story. If you guys are existing subscribers, welcome back. Thank you so much for following me. So now today, yes, I have another exciting video for you guys. It is actually unboxing or showing you guys, revealing three new pieces that I got 3 months ago. Yes, so if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen these pieces already, but this is a complete outfit that I purchased for the 10-year celebration of Nicolas Ghesquière. For his 2024 collection, the Fall-Winter 24 collection, that was his 10-year anniversary. And so Louis Vuitton did a huge party. It was not an in-store party, it was like an off-site party. Vogue covered it, like it was huge, and if you saw my vlog a few months ago that I uploaded, you would have seen inside the party. Now for that, you would have already seen my outfit there, but I haven't actually done like a complete reveal or unboxing, so I wanted to kind of share this with you guys. And like I said, it's to give you guys access to this information about Louis Vuitton as a brand. Look, in all honesty, you're probably not going to be buying these pieces, but it's beautiful eye candy. It's absolutely stunning. So do excuse me guys, I am a bit low energy at the moment because it is about 10 p.m. at night. I am forcing myself to do this video because I have my housemates coming back from an overseas trip tomorrow, and so this is the last night that I'm going to have the house to myself. But yes, also for my outfit today, I am wearing my Valentino pocket rock stud t-shirt, just something simple, and then also my Balmain denim shorts. So it is just a very simple outfit today. And okay, so guys, the first thing that I'm going to show you is on this side. Over here, it's kind of, I guess, like a pea coat or a tail coat. I will show you guys. Now again, because it's so late in the evening, I'm not going to do like a try on for you guys, because also on my social media, on Instagram, I've already shown you guys, and I'll just pop all of that into this video, and also on my previous vlog as well, I've shown you guys, so you will be able to see how it looks. In terms of the actual piece, it's so heavy. So this is the reveal. I don't know if you guys will see it clearly, it just looks like a black blob to me on that little screen there, but hopefully you guys can see it. I will give you guys close up. So I will run through the details for you. It's so bloody gorgeous. I am absolutely just in love with this piece. When it's on the person, it is like this gorgeously tailored, cinched in, beautiful shoulders, the sleeves are gorgeous, everything is just impeccably tailored and it's just so gorgeous. The fit and the silhouette is perfection, utter perfection, and I cannot rave about this enough. So it is, and I think this is like the only piece in Australia as well, so because I have not seen it on the website, and I haven't seen it in store either, so I think this was like the only one that was shipped in. So I wore this to the party, to the event. So it is a long coat that goes all the way down to the knees, past the knees actually. And then down here, it's got two slits, so it opens up on either side. So it's got like a little flap here. So it's kind of like a tailcoat, and it's just gorgeous. And when the wind blows and you're walking, you just kind of have the flaps behind you, and you feel, or at least I feel, like a supermodel, guys. Like I feel like I'm on the runway, like I'm a supermodel, and it's just like, it's amazing. Like it's just incredible what good clothes can do to a person. Like it can just make you, it can just be so empowering, and I just think it's fantastic. So this is pretty much what it looks like. I will give you guys a close-up. So you will see here that it's got this beautiful stitching here, and it's just across the collar, and then it's got buttons on the side here, and they're not really buttons actually, these are hooks, I should say, and they hook into this little hole here, so you've got it coming down. But I like to wear it without the hook, because otherwise if you do that, it covers up this gorgeous stitching panel here, and it just comes all the way down. Now these here are little, I wouldn't call them buttons, but they are embellishments, and they're like shells, and they're thick and really heavy duty. And then you've got two sets of them. They aren't functional, so they're not actual buttons. These will just kind of sit there, and they're decorative, and they're just really beautiful. It kind of just gives it a really punkish, very Hunger Games kind of vibe. And then it comes down, and you can see it just like curves. It's just gorgeous. It's stitched here so that at the waist it's really cinched in, and you will see it in the cutaway as well. It's just, the tailoring is amazing. You come down, and then you've got the sleeve, and this is the sleeve here, like that. You've got the piping stitching here carried throughout, and you've got the same button embellishments here as well on both sides. It is absolutely fantastic. It is such a gorgeous piece. And then on the back, it is, you can see all the stitching here, almost like a corset, because it's just so structured, and the tailoring is impeccable. When you wear it on the person, you're so, it's like a bodice, yeah, like a corset. It's just gorgeous. 3 months on, so even though I haven't revealed it, I have worn it a couple of times, and I can say that very empowering. Like a good fit, it's like really well tailored, it's beautiful, and it just makes me feel like a really powerful person. Comfort wise, it's also, I'd say it's like an 8 out of 10 comfort, because when something is so structured, it's also, first of all, like incredibly heavy. So this is wool, and it's incredibly heavy. Like my arm, just from holding that up, has been, I'm so tired right now. It's actually sore because it's so structured. Everything is just snug. I don't want to say tight, because it's not tight. Tight makes it seem like it's uncomfortable, but it's not. When it's just sitting on the body, it's like perfect. In terms of usability, I will say that because it's so structured and tailored, it's so snazzy, you're very limited in the kind of outfits that you can wear. Like you wouldn't be able to wear this with, say, like a t-shirt and jeans, only because it's a very specific look. So in terms of, yeah, like it's not very versatile. You will probably mostly wear this in like a dressed up, very fancy way, as opposed to like a casual way. Like you could get away with wearing it casually, but I personally, for me, wouldn't, just because it's just something that's so structured and tailored that it's sharp, and you just want the rest of your outfit to also be very structured and tailored and sharp. At the moment, in terms of cost per wear, so I've worn this over the last 3 months, I've probably only worn this like 10 times, and that's not because of the coat, like problems with the coat, it's just the weather. Because in April, when I got this in August, after that the weather started warming up, so I didn't really have many chances to actually wear this. If you guys are looking for a really nice coat, I do recommend Louis Vuitton. Their quality is really good. I think Louis Vuitton, their quality overall, in terms of the less expensive stuff, has actually gone down, but that's not them only, like every single brand has gone down. If you can save up the money and if you can afford to treat yourself to something that's more higher end in their product line, you know, their coats or their handbags in the $10,000 range, you know, or their clothes, they're ready to wear, like their pants and whatever, you know, if you're buying the higher end stuff, their quality is still absolutely amazing. To be fair, like, I think at that price point, you have to be really good, right? In order to charge this kind of money, you have to be really good. So the next thing is, ignore this. This is a different outfit for an event. I may or may not keep that because I have 3 different jumpsuits coming for a wedding next week, and that's the first one. The other 2 are still on its way. So the next one that I am so excited to reveal is this beautiful, gorgeous, like literal, like just, I'm obsessed with these pants. These are like sheer silk chiffon pants, balloon pants, so very loose structured fit. They are sheer, so you can see through them when there's like a bright light, but basically I will give you guys the run around, the tour of the pants. So you have a zipper here in silver. You've got, it's not an elastic, it's just a little waistband here, and then you have all of this pleats and stitches of the silk, of the material, goes all the way around. There are pockets, so the pocket is here. Surprisingly, I've used these pockets a lot, like all the time, to put stuff in. So kudos to Louis Vuitton for including pockets in their clothing, because the coat has no pockets. It doesn't even have an inside pocket on the inside of the jacket. So yeah, pockets, oh my God. Game changer! Okay, so here, yes, as you can see, it is see-through. So I will kind of, yeah, it is see-through. There is an elastic at the bottom. It is slightly elastic here, so it kind of gathers at the ankle. So yeah, so it's like tight at the waist, balloon pants, right? Tight at the waist, wide at the knees, and then tight at the ankles. So it's like a, yeah, balloon pants. Okay, so these were, now I actually do have the price tag here on, these were 4,550 Australian dollars. So again, not cheap, but gorgeous, absolutely stunning. So yeah, I love these pants, and actually these pants are so good that over the last 3 months, whether it's hot weather or cold weather, I have been wearing them a lot, because I don't know what magic or sorcery Louis Vuitton has employed, but even though it's like sheer or thin fabric, for some reason it still feels like warm. I don't, like, if I'm wearing it in winter, like going out to dinner and it's like 5 degrees outside, I do not feel cold. On the other hand, when it's summer, like I can wear it on a 30-degree day, and I have worn it on a 30-degree day. I literally wore it like last weekend to go shopping on a 30-degree day, and I didn't feel hot at all. Like, and it's, I think because the fabric is sheer, it just, my legs breathe, you know, and it was just incredible. It was just magic. I loved it. I loved it so much. So these pants are amazing. And again, I don't think that you can actually buy these pants anymore because they were technically last season. I've been to the store so many times since then. I have not seen this in stock. I've also been looking on the website and it's not on the website at all. So you might not actually be able to buy these pants, and I'm pretty sure both of these pieces are like 1 of 1. Which is fantastic. Like, I love just being like the only one in Australia having these pieces. It's amazing. I just feel really special. But anyway, these pants, absolutely incredible. I literally cannot fault them. Comfort-wise, 10 out of 10. Versatility, you can be casual, you can dress it with just like a casual t-shirt, crop top, or even like a blazer, a formal jacket, you know, something like this, or not a coat, but just even like an actual blazer, so you can go formal. It's so versatile. So this one, like 10 out of 10. Comfort as well, so comfortable, it's so breathable, warm, cold, whatever. And because it's like cinched at the ankle, you can wear it with heels or sneakers or whatever, and it just works. Everything about these pants just work. So highly, highly recommend if you can get your hands on these. If you can't, again, this is just like a, you know, informational, educational video for you guys. And hopefully you guys are, you know, kind of getting some joy out of it as well, because the eye candy is just whoop, beautiful. The last item that I want to show you guys is the pair of shoes that I bought to go with this outfit. So because I wore just a plain white silk shirt underneath with pearls, that was my outfit, so you would have seen the cutaway. To go with the black and white, to balance it out, I got white shoes as well. So the white shoes that I got was also from this collection. Now obviously, because I bought this outfit to attend the 10-year anniversary celebration, which was the Fall Winter 24 collection. So obviously my entire outfit had to be from that collection. So I purchased these amazing, I think these are called moon boots. I don't even know what the actual name for them are. But so when I first saw these, I was not impressed. I didn't really like them. I'm not a big fan of like the square toe, and also this kind of like gathered leather here as well. I wasn't a big fan. It just looked a little too casual. There was also something about the way the heel is like shaped like inwards instead of like straight. It just felt like, you know, if my ankle's here, it felt like it was making my leg or my feet look bigger than it actually was. But wanted to expand my comfort zone. I wanted to go out of my comfort zone. So I decided to just take the plunge, bite the bullet, and just go for this anyway. And I did, and it's been amazing. These shoes are so incredibly comfortable. They're amazing. I could walk in them so much, and I didn't even have to break them in. Like, I bought these and I was able to walk all day in them. So these are amazing. The leather is just good quality thick leather, but it's still very, very comfortable. It was just really comfortable, and I love the heel. It's like half the blossom, the flower of Louis Vuitton's logo, which is a really nice touch. So yeah, these are the shoes. Now these were, I believe, $2,240. I will double check that, but I think that was the price. Now, in terms of, like I said before, comfort, fantastic. So first impressions, comfort, amazing. I've worn this maybe 5 times over the last 3 months. Comfort's fantastic, but the quality on this is great. Like, the leather's fantastic, but the stitching is not great, I'll say. Like, you can see here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the monitor, but the stitching here is already coming apart, so that's not great. And also it's scuffing so easily. So I would have expected that at the very least that there'd be like a top coat or top layer of some sort of protection to kind of guard against this. Look, again, it might not be Louis Vuitton's fault. I mean, I'm not exactly known for being graceful or delicate, so I kind of do like stomp around and like, you know, I work for my money. I don't just lounge around and shop. So I have to run around, I have to do things. So it could be my fault, but I was also kind of hoping that, you know, it wouldn't scuff so easily, because I have other pairs of shoes and they have not scuffed like this. Anyways, so yeah, these are the shoes. So that is it. I am feeling so tired now. I am so ready for bed. I need to shower and just like get ready. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.